display. And God bless you all.
Okay, so we are now here at the equipment room.
Mahina daw yung audio so let me try to fix it. Guys, please bear with the video kasi sagad na yung audio na yun. Tapos with regards to yung pag-lag niya, I think ganun talaga pag nagsi-screen share. Anyway, if Sir Josh permits, siguro i-share na lang din namin ulit sa inyo yung video kung pwede yun, para mapanood nyo ulit in case inconvenience sa inyo yung screen sharing. Pero for now, I guess tuloy muna natin tong
Sige, ganito na lang. I'm waiting for Engineer Velasco to join us sa Zoom. I think hindi masyadong okay yung naglalag na video. High res kasi ata yung video, tapos medyo yung internet connectivity is bandwidth yung issue. Anyway, hintayin lang natin siya kaunti and then we'll end by not more than 12 o'clock for your lunch. Eto, nandito na siya. Hi, sir. Paki-enable lang po, sir, yung microphone po. Ayan. Nasa si sir. Ayun. Okay. Oops. Sir Albert?
Yes, sir. Good morning.
Morning po, sir. Kamusta po kayo dyan?
Okay naman.
Mukhang nasa likod kayo ng facility, ah. Sarap dyan, malamig, ah.
Okay lang, oo.
Sir, may konting technical difficulty kasi hindi kaya nung bandwidth ng connectivity to share yung videos natin. But we will be posting that on them for them to view na lang yung tour, yung videos po na binigay nyo sa amin. Hindi lang namin siya kayang i-stream dito sa Zoom kasi medyo naglalag siya. And then yung volume medyo mahina. So we'll just send them the link, yung Google Drive link, opo. And then for them to watch. But siguro we can take this time to ask you, sir, no, and to open up the floor for some questions. But first, ask ko lang siguro muna some few questions, and then proceed with Q&A, if that's okay with you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Siguro let us start, no, sir. Please discuss to us what CAAP is and what your facility there is. Ano yung function ng facility po ninyo and how it is important with, well, navigation and guiding airplanes. Please talk to us about CAAP and your radar facility.
Civil Aviation Authority of the Philippines is a branch of the government. It's part of Department of Transportation that deals everything about navigation, civil aviation sa buong Pilipinas. Ibig sabihin, lahat ng eroplano, lahat na nag-airborne, kami yung nagre-regulate, nagko-control, nagbibigay ng licenses. We also do the services para makapag-navigate sila sa taas. Then also, kami din ang nagre-regulate lahat ng schools, mga manufacturers with regards to yung mga ginagamit ng eroplano na nandito sa Pilipinas. So, itong facility na to, itong nasa Tagaytay, this is an air navigation facility for en route. Ibig sabihin, pagkalipad ng eroplano, pagpapunta dun sa kabilang aerodrome, kunwari, kami na nag-take care noon. Kami na nag-handle noon. So, dito sa Tagaytay, we have communications and surveillance equipments. Kasi yung services ni CAAP, pagdating sa air navigation service, tatlo yung pinoprovide namin. We have the communication, the navigation, and then the surveillance. Wala kaming navigation kasi mostly the navigations nandun yon sa mga aerodromes, mga airports. So kami dito, surveillance lang, parang kami yung mata ng mga air traffic controllers, and then communication para makapag-usap yung piloto and then the air traffic controller for guidance.
Ayun, nako, important pala. That's why perhaps nandyan din kayo, no? Very important, frontliner din kayo, no, sir, kasi it is vital. Sir, can you hear me? Sir, narinig niyo po ako?
Yeah, oo.
Okay.
Kasi medyo maano dito. Ni-reset ko lang yung ano ko.
Microphone. Paki-near na lang din, sir. Pakilapit na lang din po yung microphone sa bibig po natin para medyo malakas po yung volume.
Teka, ito.
Yan.
How about this one? Okay na.
Yes, sir. Better. Yun nga, as I was saying, sir, so very important pala ang role and function ng radar facility natin dyan dito sa Tagaytay. Actually, nasa Tagaytay ako. Nandyan din kayo sa Winyogan, tama, sir? And,
sa kabila lang ka.
Opo, very important siya into guiding yung mga piloto natin. In the recent months or years, nag-upgrade kayo ng some of your facilities. Can you please discuss to us, sir, some of those facilities?
Yeah. Originally, yung radar ng Pilipinas, yung en route radar ng Pilipinas, bali tatlo lang. Isa sa Lawag, isa dito sa Tagaytay, and isa sa Cebu. So, yun ang nagko-cover ng siguro mga 80% ng FIR is Flight Information Region ng Pilipinas. Sabihin yung parang Philippine Area of Responsibility. So, 80%. Kaya lang, pagka kunwari yung isang area, isang radar head is namatay or nagkaroon ng trouble, nawawala. So ang nangyayari, instead na mabilis yung pagtakbo ng eroplano, ang ginagawa ng air traffic controller is to slow it down para ma-handle nila. Kasi wala silang matay on such area. So kaya nag-upgrade recently yung CAAP, nagkaroon ng 12 na radar heads na sa buong Pilipinas. So bale dati, yung area ng Palawan, Zamboanga, I think part of General Santos City, wala pang coverage. But now, na-cover na siya, and at the same time, yung mga radar heads, nagkaroon na ng overlap. So this means na nagkaroon na ng redundancy. So just in case ngayon, mamatay yung radar dito sa Tagaytay, so covered siya ng ibang facility. So wala nang gray area sa buong Pilipinas.
Ayun. Wow, so from 3 naging 12 na yung radars natin.
Yeah, that's for the surveillance. Pagdating naman sa equipment, ganun din ang nangyari. Dinagdagan ng maraming radyo. So instead na kunwari Tagaytay lang and then yung other parts of the radar heads, meron ding mga transmitters, receivers. So nagkaroon na rin ng overlapping ng mga communication equipments. So
sir,
hindi
yung
lang
impact nun?
Naging impact noon, mas safe yung natin, civil aviation, mas naging safe kasi yung outage niya mas kukonti. So at the same time, pagka nagkakaroon ng, meron kasi mga gray areas din yung communication kasi hindi naman natin yun mape-perfect talaga. So, nung nagkaroon ng redundancies, nako-cover na din siya nung ibang facility. So, almost buong Pilipinas na-cover na. And also, ganun din, pagdating sa HF communication, nagkaroon na rin tayo ng satellite, not satellite, but, satellite communication. So, aside from HF, pag hindi magkarinigan sa HF because of propagation, they can use the satellite.
Right. Oh, thank you, sir. Magandang improvement nga niyan. Can you explain to us, sir, yung naging journey ninyo before you entered your job there sa CAAP? You graduated from Bicol University, tama, sir, with BS?
Yeah, well, yes.
And they may find it interesting, kasi you graduated BS Electrical Engineering, but you are working in an ECE field. Can you take us into a journey, sir, and share to us what has been your journey after graduating, finding your jobs, and then finally landing dyan sa job na yan?
After I graduated, napunta ako sa construction. So, siguro mahigit 1 taon ako doon. And then after that, napunta ako sa manufacturing. So sa construction pala, yung trabaho ko is, kasi it doesn't mean na pagka-graduate mo as, kunwari, electrical engineer ka, graduate ka. Don't expect na yun ang magiging work mo. Diba? So pagdating ko sa construction, nagtrabaho ako as electrical engineer at the same time sa civil and plumbing.
Wow.
So, then, nung napunta ako ngayon ng manufacturing, ayun, mechanical naman, electrical, mechanical, saka chemical.
Yes.
Ayun. So after that, medyo sabi ko, parang gusto ko maging businessman. So siguro another year, nag-construction business ako. So I have my own company. But then, nag-offer ito si CAAP, that previously Air Transportation Office pa.
ATO.
Nag-offer siya si CAAP na i-open daw. So sabi ko, government, why not? I-try ko lang. So hindi ko naman inaasahan talaga na mapupunta ako dito. But then, nagkaroon kami ng exam. Actually, dito sa CAAP, medyo mahirap talaga makapasok kasi maraming exams na dadaanan ka. So you have, out of siguro mga 5,000 siguro, estimate lang. Noong batch namin, mga 5,000 sa buong Pilipinas yung nag-exam din. Siguro yung kinuha, mga 60. 60 lang kami. Then we had training ng 6 na buwan. Then OJT. Then after that, yun, saka kami bibigyan na. Yung training namin is merong washout. So parang yung computer engineering, computer engineering, ECE, electrical, then aeronautical engineering. Parang pinaghalo-halo siya for 6 months. Lahat ng major subjects dyan ituturo sa inyo. So almost every week, we have a final exam. So pagka nalaglag ka sa final exam, you have three chance na mag-removal. Pag na-consume mo na yung 3 chances na yun for the whole program, pang-4 mo na, wala na. Bibigyan ka na ng plane ticket pa uwi.
Grabe, talagang medyo mahigpit po kasi you're dealing with surveillance and lives are at stake. So when you entered, sir, as CNSS 01, can you share to us what were your job responsibilities then? And then what are your job responsibilities now?
Nung when I entered, syempre, uno, yung pinakamababa yung item. Siguro assist lang kami. Syempre, bago ka sa facility, assist ka. You have to be familiarized with the equipment. Tapos, syempre, aral-aral ka. Yun lang. Then, eventually, pag na-familiarize ka na sa facility, ayun, sasaba ka na sa maintenance. Pagka may trouble, you have to handle carefully yung mga equipment. You should be well versed in using your test instruments. Then, yung system, dapat alam mo. So, pag na-familiarize mo yon, ayun, eventually, ngayon, supervisor na ako. Membership supervisor here. So, pagka, yung trabaho ko is actually, pagka yun, may mga trouble, we have to fix the trouble, tapos dapat alam mo kung ano yung gagawin kasi dito sa amin, yung communication ay isa sa pinakang crucial. Dapat yung air traffic controller and pilot, hindi dapat nawawalan sila ng communication. Dapat zero out yon. So dapat alam mo kung saan mo ililipat, paano mo ililipat, didiskartehan mo. Kunwari, may mga complaint, didiskartehan mo. Then you should also think of things, parang corrective action sa mga equipment para the next time na magkaroon ng ganitong klaseng scenario, ma-prevent mo na magkaroon ng outage. Ganyan.
Grabe. So, crucial talaga siya, no? Ang hirap mabalitaan na isang ma-headline, isang DLSUD CNSSO student or employee, no? Na nag-Mobile Legends lang saglit, bumagsak ang eroplano. Yikes!
Wag naman
So,
sana.
kailangan medyo yung precision and accuracy to every action and troubleshooting skills very important. Tama po ba, sir?
Yes. Then familiarization with the system talaga. Yung knowledge.
So right now, ngayon po, you're already CNSSO 3, you are now supervising people ba, sir? Or still on troubleshooting equipment?
I'm the supervisor here, ship supervisor. Pero pagdating sa troubleshooting, I still do hands-on. Kasi, syempre may mga baguhan kami. So, part of that is tuturuan mo sila. Ako kasi ang motive ko sa buhay is pag tinuruan mo yung subordinates mo, kampante ka. Wag mong sa kanila, dapat i-share mo yung knowledge mo.
Right.
Para pagdating ng trouble, tulong-tulong kayo, lahat kayo kumbaga makakatulog pagkagabi. Hindi kayo worried. So, i-share mo dapat lahat ng knowledge mo.
Right. Wow. Very good 'yun. Tapos if for the information of everyone, CAAP is actually has this entrance examinations for CNSSO and ETO. In fact, meron tayo, sir, ewan ko kung kilala nyo pa si Bon at saka si ATO sila actually. Nakalimutan ko yung apelido ni Bon. Tsaka nakalimutan ko din yung isa.
ECE ba? ECE?
ECE. Nasa ATO sila ngayon. Nasa main ata sila. I'm not mistaken. Anyway, my point is, may mga exams, right, sir? Can you discuss to us, sir, and share with us yung mga exams na tinitake and yung mga trainings na ginagawa nyo for them to be able to get into a position of CNSSO?
Okay.
CNSSO.
Yeah. Well, before ko sagutin yan, actually, yung kasama ko dito, kung mapapanood niyo yung video, tamang-tama yung Sir George, na kasama ko ngayon dito sa quarantine dito sa facility is a graduate ng DLSUD, si Carl Caber.
Talaga?
So, makikita niyo siya sa video. Sinama ko talaga siya para makita niyo na he's a product of DLSUD University, Las Marinas.
Nice.
Dito siya ngayon kasama ko. So anyway, pagdating sa exam, the exam is mostly yung coverage niya is mostly mga subjects from ECE subjects, mostly. We have basta lahat ng subjects doon. Then, may kasama din electrical engineering, yung mga power systems natin. We have also computer, meron din computer. And may kaunti ng, alam ko mayroong mechanical din may kaunting mechanical. Then of course, aeronautical engineering. So yun ang mga subjects, yung mga pag gusto niyo mag-exam, yung mga subjects niyo, yun ang aaralin niyo. Pagdating naman sa training, ganun din. Pero mostly, ang sa training is mga pang ECE subjects. So, ang example dyan, ang number 1 na subject namin is yung pagkapasok mo is the AC and DC circuits, isang subject namin yun.
Nice.
AC-DC. Then, we have also Semiconductors. I don't know anong subject yun sa ECE, semiconductors. LX ata yan, ano?
Yes,
Semiconductors, yeah. Semiconductors, we have logic circuits, we have amplifiers, we have oscillators, computer system. Marami yan. Almost every week, sabi ko, almost every week, nagkakaroon kami ng final exams. Talaga dapat mag-aaral ka. Then, on the later part nung namin, nung training, nandun na yung mga equipment like the DOR, MDB, we had communication equipments, microwave, we have distance measuring equipment, meron din mga instrument landing system, yung tatlong subsystems niya, meron din kaming mga satellite communication system, we have I think part nun is the GPS system, and yung tinatawag naming CNS-ATM or the Communication Navigation Surveillance Air Traffic Management System. So, yun ang mga subjects namin na aralan. So, mostly talaga, meron din power system pala for electrical engineering. Meron din. So, mostly, pero karamihan ng subjects namin is pang ECE and computer engineering.
Ayun. Na sir, yun nga eh, most of the subjects are for ECE, but ikaw electrical engineer ka. Napagkwentuhan natin to before. What was your skill? Ano yung skill mo na that you were honed even before you were a part of an organization in college, right? And the skills that you acquired from that group and your interest readied you for that job description on radio. Tama ba, sir?
Yeah. Actually, nung sa batch namin, ako lang yung electrical engineer doon. Totoo nahirapan naman ako kasi syempre. Pero ang siguro isang advantage ko is yun nga, since high school I'm already an amateur radio enthusiast. So nasa hobby na ako, mostly communication talaga yung yung hobby ko yun na hobby. So I'm involved in amateur radio communication in ham radio in organizations ako. So with that, siguro na nagamit ko yung hindi naman talent eh. Nagamit ko yung knowledge ko dun sa training. Kaya siguro kahit papaano, kahit nahihirapan, nakakasunod ako sa kung anong pinag-uusapan nila. Kasi in electrical engineering, pag sinabi mong transmission line, iba yung transmission line namin.
Correct.
Diba? Yung mga quarter stub, open stub. Nahirapan ako, hindi ako marunong gumamit ng yung chart na, I forgot the chart.
Smith chart.
Ano yun, sir?
Smith chart.
Yes, the Smith chart. Kahit pa paano, nakakasunod ako, naiintindihan ko. And then, pagdating sa mga oscillator, alam ko yung mga Hartley oscillator, mga Colpitts, alam ko yon. So, kung ordinary electrical engineering ako, talaga hindi ako makakasunod. Sige, yun lang. Naging advantage ko yung pagiging ham radio operator.
Yon, narinig nyo ba yun, guys? Advantage daw ang pagiging amateur radio, ham radio. So yung mga hindi pa nakakapag-apply ng license.
Yeah.
Dito, sir, nako, hindi pa nila na-apply yung license nila. Hindi natin masyadong ma-push through talaga yung organization. But hopefully, in the coming years, ma-push talaga natin so that yung some of our students are radio ready and we can produce more people na ready for CAAP.
Yeah.
Produce quality.
So actually, speaking of ham radio, yung yung organization natin sa Lasal, kung di lang talaga nagkaroon ng ECQ, siguro malalaki. But unfortunately, nagkaroon ng ECQ. But I am also encouraging, including my students, mga electrical engineering students, ini-encourage ko sila na mag-join kayo kasi you never know, one day magagamit nyo. Tulad sa akin, yes. I never know na magagamit ko siya. But, ayun, talaga, nagamit ko siya. Malaki yung tulong sa akin. You never know. Just, you just join, you just learn, you just try it. Nakamalay mo.
Eto sir, I think this will catch their attention. Ano ang starting salary ng CNSSO?
Sasabihin ko ba? Okay, sige. So yung starting namin dito is 42,000.
Wow. Magkano ulit, sir? Medyo mahina ata. Pakilaksan, sir.
42,000.
42,000?
Yes,
42,000?
42,000.
Starting lang yan, sir?
Yes, starting.
Okay. At
Pero,
CNSS1 yan, sir, no?
naman, I'm not encouraging na umalis kayo. Pero, mostly kasi sa amin, nagkakaroon ka brain drain.
Mhm.
Kasi, sa amin, yung training namin sa CAAP, pag nag-training ka, kumuha ka ng basic at napasan mo yun, it's recognized worldwide. So, pag dala-dala mo yun, nag-training ka doon, pero huwag nyo naman gagawin kasi kawawa naman ni CAAP. Pag nag-training ka doon, ang ginagawa ng iba, nag-training, magkakaroon experience dito sa CAAP after certain number of years, aalis, pupunta sa ibang bansa. Yung sahod nila, depends you're in Asia, minsan times 5. Pagka sa ibang bansa, mga ibang continent pala na medyo like America, yung iba times 10. So, pero wag niyo naman gawin sana kasi kawawa naman ng bansang Pilipinas.
Right. So, more patriotic people, ano po, 42,000 as a starting. So imagine, that's only CNSS01. Imagine CNSS02, which is Sir Albert. CNSS03, grabe.
Hindi naman.
Exclusive ba dyan yung mga packages? Tama ba, sir? And benefits, government benefits, GSIS, et cetera, that a government employee has.
Well, actually, yung sa basic, medyo tamang-tama lang naman. Pero yung mga packages na sinasabi, medyo kulang kami. Doon kami nangyayado. Kasi siguro we're working it out. One day, yung voice namin marinig para naman maibigay sa amin yung like medical, medyo kulang kami dyan.
Right. For the information of everyone, Sir Albert is one of the most notable instructors sa CAAP, sa Civil Aviation Training Center. Grabe. I have a friend, hindi naman siya friend, but acquaintance na talagang sabi niya, grabe si Sir Albert. Grabe as in, magaling. And grabe din mag-wash out. Napaka-higpit down ni Sir Albert. So, if you are interested in applying as CNSSO sa CAAP, well, be ready. At least medyo may start ka na as you have the idea na si Sir Albert is with us, teaching with us, but it is a good foundation, no, na from Lasal ka, and then you can approach him and ask him anything because you know na you came from the same institution or educational institution. So it's a good advantage for you guys. Kung kayo interested with applying as a CNSSO sa CAAP, you can get more details. You can message si Sir Albert for that. Yun. 42K, sir. Tama po. Now, thank you for answering my question, sir. Now I'm opening the floor for the students to ask their own question. Guys, kung may tanong kayo, please raise them now. I think I have disabled. I have allowed participants to unmute. I have allowed you to unmute yourself. So if you have a question, please do raise them now. Jean, you can turn on your mic.
Nag-test. Hi po, sir.
Hello, kamusta?
We've met po, sir, nung circuits 2 po.
Yeah.
Quick question lang po. Yung sa field niyo po, sir, gaano po ka-important yung soft skills? Like, considering parang ang peaceful po kasi dyan.
Gaano important yung?
So, yung soft skills po, sir. Like, paano niyo po ginagamit yung soft skills niyo?
Hindi ko na ano yung
Yung soft skills po.
Like communication, relationship.
Okay.
Ayan.
So, you mean yung di bang sabihin mo ng soft skills?
Yung hard skills po kasi, yung like yung napag-aaralan niyo po, mga ganun. Yung soft skills mo, more of interpersonal communication,
Okay.
like relationships, mga ganun.
So, syempre, dito kasi sa CAAP, teamwork kami. No? You cannot work in CAAP kung ikaw lang. Kung may problema sa pakikicommunicate, sa personal relationship, medyo mahihirapan ka. So, kailangan mo yung kaibigan. Kasi you're not only dealing with the people, kunwari ako, I'm here in Tagaytay, I'm not only dealing with the people here in Tagaytay, but kasi hindi lang kami nagko-communicate, hindi lang kami nagko-coordinate, kami dito. With Manila, with Power, with Cebu. So, dapat, as much as possible, kumbaga, maganda yung pakikipag mo, you answer your phone properly, live usap mo. Kasi, hindi mo alam baka mamaya, pangit yung pakikipag-deal mo. So, hindi mo masosolve yung problems. So, you should have a good communication skill, magalang ka. Actually, part yun ng asang guidelines namin sa civil space na dapat as a public servant, dapat medyo live.
Kasi po parang peaceful po kasi dyan, sir, sa lugar niyo. Yun nga, kaya napatanong po ako.
Sa una siguro, kung medyo sanay ka sa magulong lugar o sa city life, mabubore ka. But marami kang magagawa actually. Ako, nasanay ako sa ganito. So, marami kang magagawa. Actually, ang pinakang magandang gawin dito talaga is kung wala kang trouble, you learn. You read, you study. Yun.
Right. Kala nyo chillax lang dyan. Hindi hindi dyan. And hindi lang sila nag-aaral, nag-harvest din sila ng Bitcoin. Nakala nyo Joke lang.
Hindi ako kasama doon.
Nag-harvest din ng Bitcoin. Anyway, marami silang ginagawa sa CAAP because they use their time to really be what do you call this? Productive. Any more questions, guys? Meron pa bang may interested about CAAP? About yung radar natin sa Tagaytay? Any career questions?
Actually, pag nabobore ka dito, you can do some planting. Tatanim din kami dito.
Nice. Okay. Any questions, guys?
Ito po, sir. Quick question lang po. Yung sa CAAP po ba, sir, does it help with national security? Yung sa inyo po?
Jane Pacquiao, medyo.
Yung sa facilities niyo po, sir, or CAAP in general, like, nagko-contribute po ba yan sa national security?
Okay. In what aspect? Paano ibig sabihin mo?
Like for example, yung facilities niyo po ba tumutulong po ba sa pagbantay, for example, like yung enemy aircraft, mga gano'n? If meron man, or mga hostile like, does it contribute in that way or civilian po talaga?
Ang trabaho namin is mostly civilian. So, pagka yung eroplano is nagpakilala, kasi ang radar namin is IFF, Information Federal Code. So, pag nagpakilala yung eroplano, pakilala yung eroplano na civilian siya, may transponder siya, na nakikita namin. So, hindi namin masasabi na kung sinong laman doon sa loob. So, kung may pangit ang intention, hindi namin alam. Basta, nasa civil aviation, service, yung hanggang doon lang kami. Ngayon, pagdating sa mga hijack, siguro it's part of national security. Pagdating sa hijack, meron kaming mga protocol na sinusunod na kasi sa aeroplano na hijack. So, bibigyan namin siya ng separate na controller And then, may mga protocol kami sinusunod. Pero hanggang doon lang kami. Pero kung yun
So, hindi niyo sakop po yung military, like yung ganun?
Hindi. Actually, merong part sa airspace na specifically intended for military lang. So, hindi namin yung sakop. Ngayon, pagka yung military pumasok sa civilian airspace, dapat nagpapakilala sila. Para makita namin.
Okay po. Thank you po.
Sir Josh, excuse mic po.
Sorry. Naka-mute pala ako. Last question siguro, Sir Albert. Sabi niya, ni Genesis, he is asking kung meron na po bang review centers na or study materials to help makapag-ready sa CAAP exam?
Walang review center. Review center.
Yes.
Ang kailangan mo lang talaga is isang pinakamahalaga doon is stock knowledge.
Nice.
Talaga. Kasi yun talaga yung kasi hindi mo marireview sa laki ng scope nung aaralin mo. Hindi mo marireview yung lahat. Hindi mo mapag-aaralan. So siguro during your college, mag-aral na kayo.
Right.
Doon pa lang mag-aral na kayo kasi kung gusto niyo talagang mag-take, mag-aral na kayo doon pa lang.
Right. Nako, Sir Albert, thank you so much for your precious time. Alam namin nandiyan kayo nandiyan kayo sa facility kasi naka-quarantine kayo for support sa ating surveillance. But thank you very much, sir, for joining us and for making effort para idaling kami sa virtual tour sa CAAP, ma-inspire yung mga students of the equipment that is being used, how they could possibly go into a career in CAAP, in civil aviations and everything. Salamat, sir, for your time. We truly appreciate it. And I hope to see you soon, sir, after this lockdown. Pakakapihin ko kayo ni Sir Nomer. May meeting daw siya. Sabi ko sa kanya, mag-drop by siya kung siya ay libre para makita naman, mag-say hi siya. Kaso may, daw siya, he's working on some emails. But anyway, mag-drop by ako dyan, sir. Minsan, treat ko kayo ng 3-in-1 kape. And i-push natin, sir, yung sa Animo Radio Circle natin, organization. Ayun. Thank you very much. But before we end, siguro, thank you for reminding Arlie. Mag-group picture tayo, sir, for docu photo op.
Sige, sir.
Okay. Guys, please turn on your your videos. Krent, Bryle, Sean, Lorraine, Prince, Adrian, Mark, Ranger, Ramses. Sino tong Bimb? Sino si Bimb? If you can. All right. So in a count of 3, please put out your best smiles. Si Ramses wala daw. Webcam, it's okay. If you can lang naman. All right, ready? In 3, 2, 1, smile. Okay, that's 1. Next. Guys, smile. 3, 2, 1, smile. Okay. Last but not the least. Okay, guys. Ready? 3, 2, 1, smile. All right. Thank you very much, guys, for participating in today's webinar. Salamat, Sir Albert, for spending your time with us. Alam namin medyo busy yung schedule nyo, but you still gave us time. Thank you very much, sir. We truly appreciate it.
Okay. Thank you din sa at least kita nyo yung facility namin.
Yes, sir. Salamat po and may God bless you. Mag-lunch na po tayo. Salamat, sir.
Thank you.
Bye-bye po. God bless. Bye-bye.